Are you looking for job opportunity in European countries like Romania? And this is today. We have an opportunity you can't resist. For that, you need to watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, HR Sneha this side from BCM Group Pune, authorized by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. BCM Group connects the dots to your future job. Are you a CNC turning operator and you want your job location in Romania? Then we have an opening for you. So the salary which will be provided to you is 600 USD, and apart from that you will be getting food coupon, accommodation with kitchen facility, medical allowance and transportation. And yes, the contract period for Romania is 2 years and the process time for Romania is 5 to 6 months. The working days and hours will be 8 hours and 5 days. So the selection process is based on client interview that is scheduled on Zoom and Skype meet in our office, BCM Group Pune. The minimum age is 25 and the maximum is 40. The work experience is required for the profile is 5 year and 5 year plus. The document which we needed for the further process is updated CV, experience letter, education certificate and passport. And you should have basic English knowledge too. So if you're interested to build a better future, our BCM Group employee will guide you to the right path. Your resume is your gateway to success. Send it today on 9555 44 or you can mail us on inquiry@bcmgroup.in. Thank you.